Welcome back. Now in Hyderabad, on the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti, while political leaders were paying respects to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, dramatic scenes, however, were unfolding in Congress-ruled Telangana. A Dalit leader identified as Muddam Sail was allegedly stripped, dragged and detained by the police in Kamareddy district. Ambedkar Yuvajana Sangam, that had erected banners with former MLA Surendran BRS MLC Kavita's photographs, and the police allegedly objected to these banners and asked them to be removed. A heated discussion that took place between the police and the Ambedkar Yuvajana Sangam members and the local BRS leaders, and later one of the protesters was seen being stripped and being dragged by the police. In that video there on your screens, when it comes to the BRS, which is now called out the duplicity of the Congress-ruled government, claiming to hail Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, but on the other side, insulting a Dalit leader on the ground. KTR, in fact, on X had said that just a day in Mohabbat Ka Dukan, where a Dalit man was stripped and he was arrested right under Baba Saheb's shadow on his birth anniversary in Congress-ruled Telangana. And KTR has demanded to know how is tying a banner for Ambedkar Jayanti a crime so heinous that this kind of brutality had to be meted out. He's also put out a question to Rahul Gandhi asking that how many more pages will Revanth Reddy's government be allowed to tear apart from the constitution, where KTR has also demanded immediate and severe action on every police official who were involved in this incident. The BJP also has taken this opportunity to hit out at the Revanth Reddy government.
The Telangana police seems to have scant respect for Dr. Ambedkar's 135th birth anniversary, and they resorted to stripping of a Dalit person in Kamareddy and beat him blue and black. One side they bring a GO for categorization and reservations, and on the other hand their police high-handedly beats up a Dalit leader. If the police find that he has violated any law, then they should have taken action as per the law. But beating him and stripping him and beating black and blue and then insulting him, the police officers who are involved in it, action must be taken against them.
Somit is connected with us right now. Somit, this is an act of police high-handedness which has now been questioned and criticized both by the BJP and the BRS.
Well, that's true, Amita. In this video, we can clearly see actually they were, celebrating Ambedkar Jayanti yesterday, and they have organized even a meeting there. It happened in the Kamareddy district, a neighboring district of the Hyderabad city, and there these Ambedkar, association, they have gathered there, Ambedkar Youth Association. So they were, speaking about Ambedkar, and also later even there the banners were seen. And the objection came in after the banners were erected. This Sahil, Mr. Sahil, who was seen in the video being dragged by the police. So actually, he was, heading the meeting there, and also he's the Dalit community leader, is what we are told. And what happened there was, they have erected the banners, and in the banners, former MLA and also former MLA Suresh, and also MLC Kavita, BRS MLC Kavita photos were seen, and allegedly the inspector of the concerned police station has objected to these posters and asked Mr. Sahil to immediately remove these posters. And later, their heated discussion took place between the police and also these Dalit community leaders and also others who were participating in the Ambedkar Jayanti celebrations. And there, he was seen being dragged from that spot to the where this car was, a police patrol car was parked, right. And later he was detained and taken into the local police station. And police yet to officially respond on this matter, and they didn't, speak officially on this matter.
So keep an eye out as far as police's response on this concerned. As far as this incident is concerned, a Dalit man that was dragged, beaten up, and assaulted on the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti, and that has taken place in Telangana. Thank you very much, Somit, for that.